So different types of motor are there. We are going to see that two-phase motor. Two-phase motor, you see, and the rotor is going to be single rotor, but I'm going to have two coils, and the two coils are 90 degrees away from each other. And in the two coils, I'll be having two currents IM and IA flowing across my N and A coil. So to differentiate, I'm using M and A coil. So if this A coil is not there, it is going to be a single phase motor. Since I am adding one more coil perpendicular to the already existing coil, it becomes a two-phase motor. And this equation is given root 2 Nm Im will be equal to root 2 Na Ia is considered to be Fm. So if you find the total field, so F is equal to Fm cos omega t cos theta. This is only for the first single phase. For second phase, Fm cos. See, this winding is out of phase with this winding by 90. So wherever you have cos omega t replaced by omega t minus 90, wherever you have cos theta replaced by cos theta minus 90. Why this minus 90 is coming? This for second winding, because second winding is 90 degrees away from the first winding. So 90 degrees away இருக்கிறதுனால it is lagging, correct? So lagging அதனால you put a minus 90. So you apply the formula for cos A, cos B, same way as the previous thing. Here also apply the formula. When you simplify, you get F is equal to Fm cos omega t minus theta. So only one component you get. This is going to be your forward field. So when you are going to have a two-phase coil, you are going to have only a single field rotating. Okay, so this makes your job very simple because only one field is rotating. So the motor can be starting on its own. But the problem what we face here is the current on the two-phase windings using a two-phase supply. I don't have a two-phase supply available anywhere. So I need to create a two-phase supply for supplying current to the two coils. You have single phase and three-phase, but you don't have a two-phase supply, correct? So for this motor, my end result is good. I have only one rotating field, which is very good for my motor, which is going to start my motor on its own. But what problem I am going to face is I need to have a two-phase supply to provide current for both the windings, which is not practically possible.